Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Master Tycoon. It's good to have you here. All right, I have a question here on differentiation. And remember, differentiation is a branch of calculus. Calculus is divided into two. We have differentiation and we have integration. So here I have a question on differentiation, and the question says if y equals to 4x minus 3x, find y x. So we are differentiating with respect to x. Y is equal to 3, so we have to differentiate with respect to x. So what do we do from here? It's very simple. We have y equals 4x squared minus 3x. So the y, the x, so we have 4x to the power of 2 minus 1, then minus 3x to the power of 1 minus 1, because this x here has an invisible index of 1. Yes, that's invisible. So I need to subtract 1 from that because that is the rule of differentiation. So here, what do? We get our final answer. Our dy dx will be, I have 4x to the power of 1. Yes, 2 minus 1 is 1. Then I have 3x to the power of 1 minus 1. Well, obviously, 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have minus 3x power 0. The final answer is going to be 4x minus 3. That is the final answer. Okay, I still have to conclude my C. All right, thank you. Have a wonderful day.